So segment number 4. Our first word is bouquet. Repeat that after me. Bouquet. That is an attractively arranged bunch of flowers, especially ones that are presented as a gift or carried at a ceremony. So an example in a sentence: I bought my wedding bouquet from the flower store. Repeat that. I bought my wedding bouquet from the flower store. Our next word, brother. Repeat after me. Brother. That is a man or a boy in relation to other sons and daughters of his parents. An example in a sentence: Mr. Daniel is my brother. Repeat that after me. Mr. Daniel is my brother. Our next word, bottle. Repeat that after me. Bottle. That is a glass or plastic container with a narrow neck that is used for storing drinks or other liquids. An example of a sentence: he opened the bottle of beer. Repeat that after me. He opened the bottle of beer. Next word, brow. Repeat that after me. Brow. The meaning of that word? Well, it's a person's forehead. An example in a sentence: he wiped his brow. Repeat that after me. He wiped his brow. Our next word, blood. Repeat. Blood. That is the red liquid that circulates in the arteries and veins of humans and other vertebrate animals, carrying oxygen and carbon dioxide to and from the tissues of the body. An example of a sentence: I have red blood in my body. Repeat that after me. I have red blood in my body. Next word, bank. Repeat that. Bank. That is the land alongside or sloping down to a river or a lake. An example sentence: willows line the bank of the stream. Repeat after me. Willows line the bank of the stream. Next word, battle. Repeat that after me. Battle. That is a sustained fight between large organized armed forces. An example sentence: the battle lasted for several hours. Repeat after me. The battle lasted for several hours. Our next word, canoe. Repeat after me. Canoe. A canoe is a light, narrow boat with pointed ends and no keel, propelled with a paddle or paddles. An example sentence: I travelled to the other side of the river using a canoe. Repeat that. I travelled to the other side of the river using a canoe. Our next word, cough. Cough. Repeat that. Cough. That means to expel air from the lungs with a sudden, sharp sound. A sentence with that in: he tried to speak and started to cough. Repeat that. He tried to speak and started to cough. Our next word, kriːtʃə. Repeat that. Kriːtʃə. This is an animal that's distinct from a human being. An example in a sentence: a peacock is a beautiful creature. Repeat after me. A peacock is a beautiful creature. Let's repeat those 10 words. First, bouquet, brother, bottle, brow, blood, bank, battle, canoe, cough, and finally, kriːtʃə.